Welcome to my new YouTube series, Digital Marketing 101. Throughout this series, I will be exploring a range of digital marketing techniques, including search engine optimization, social media marketing, content marketing, and many more. Today's video will focus on email marketing to make money online, and I will share with you top best practices, in my opinion, for you to engage in. When you get to the top one, you will be so surprised. So stay tuned. Email marketing is a powerful tool to make money online. Whether you are a business owner or an affiliate marketer, email marketing is a cost-effective way to reach out to your audience, promote your products or services, and make money online. In this video, I will explore the best practices for email marketing and provide examples of how email marketing can help you make money online. Why email marketing is important for making money online. Builds relationships. Email marketing allows you to build relationships with your audience. You can use email to educate your subscribers about your products or services and keep them engaged with your brand. Targeted marketing. Email marketing allows you to target specific segments of your audience based on their interests, behaviors, and demographics. This makes your marketing more effective and efficient. Cost-effective. Email marketing is one of the most cost-effective marketing strategies. You can reach a large number of people for a fraction of the cost of other marketing channels. Measurable. Email marketing is highly measurable. You can track open rates, click-through rates, and conversions, which allows you to optimize your campaigns for maximum results. Examples of email marketing strategies to make money online. There are several email marketing strategies that you can use to make money online. Promote affiliate products. As an affiliate marketer, you can promote products to your email list and earn a commission on each sale. You can use email to educate your subscribers about the product and its benefits and provide a link to purchase. Offer exclusive discounts. You can use email to offer exclusive discounts to your subscribers. This can encourage them to purchase your products or services and can help you generate more sales. Upsell and cross-sell. You can use email to upsell and cross-sell your products or services. For example, if someone purchases a product from you, you can send them an email offering a complimentary product or an upgrade. Abandoned cart emails. You can use email to follow up with customers who have abandoned their shopping carts. You can offer them a discount or a special offer to encourage them to complete their purchase. Lead nurturing. You can use email to nurture leads and move them through your sales funnel. You can provide educational content, case studies, and testimonials to build trust with your subscribers and move them closer to a purchase. Before we delve into the 10 best email marketing practices, if you want to learn more about digital marketing, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting new content regularly, and by subscribing, you'll be the first to know when I post new videos, tutorials, and tips on digital marketing, make money online, and more. Plus, you'll be supporting my channel and helping me to reach more people who can benefit from this information. So hit that like button and subscribe to my channel today. Now, let's dive into the top 10 best practices for creating a successful email marketing strategy. Stay tuned to the last, you will be surprised. Number 10. Building a high-quality email list is an essential aspect of email marketing. It ensures that your messages are reaching people who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer, which ultimately leads to better engagement and conversion rates. To build a high-quality email list, you must focus on collecting email addresses from people who have shown an interest in your products or services. You can achieve this by offering valuable content, providing incentives for sign-ups, and leveraging social media platforms. Additionally, you should regularly clean your email list by removing inactive subscribers to maintain high deliverability rates and avoid being marked as spam. Number 9. Segmenting your audience is a crucial strategy for delivering more relevant content to your subscribers. By dividing your email list into specific groups based on their interests, behaviors, demographics, or other factors, you can create targeted campaigns that resonate with each group's unique needs and preferences. This not only leads to higher engagement rates but also helps to build stronger relationships with your subscribers. To segment your audience effectively, you should use data analytics tools and regularly review your email campaign results to gain insights into your subscribers' behaviors and preferences. This will enable you to create personalized campaigns that speak directly to your audience and drive better results. Number 8. To effectively personalize your emails, you can leverage analytics tools that provide insights into your subscribers' behaviors and preferences. These tools enable you to collect and analyze data on factors such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. Examples of analytics tools you can use for email marketing include Google Analytics, a free web analytics tool that tracks and reports website traffic. It can be used to track email campaign performance and identify trends in subscriber behavior. MailChimp, an email marketing platform that offers built-in analytics tools to track open rates, click-through rates, and other key metrics. Mixpanel, an advanced analytics tool that provides detailed insights into user behavior and engagement. By using analytics tools, you can gain a deeper understanding of your subscribers' needs and preferences, allowing you to create personalized emails that resonate with them and drive better results. Number 7. Provide value. To keep your subscribers engaged, it's essential to provide value in your emails. This can include educational content, insider tips, exclusive discounts, and other useful information that your subscribers can benefit from. Keep in mind that providing value doesn't always mean promoting your products or services. Instead, focus on offering content that is genuinely helpful and relevant to your subscribers' interests and needs. This will help you stand out in their inbox and keep them interested in what you have to say. Number 6. Call to action. A clear call to action, CTA, is critical to getting the results you want from your email campaigns. Your CTA should be specific, visible, and easy to understand, prompting your subscribers to take action. To create a compelling CTA, use actionable language that clearly states what you want your subscribers to do, such as buy now or download guide. Additionally, make sure your CTA stands out in your email, using contrasting colors or buttons to draw attention to it. By using a clear CTA, you can drive more clicks and conversions from your email campaigns. Number 5. Consistent schedule. Consistency is key to a successful email marketing strategy. By maintaining a regular schedule for sending emails, you can build a predictable routine for your subscribers, keeping them engaged and interested in your content. Decide on a frequency that works for you, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, and stick to it. Additionally, make sure to plan your content in advance, so you have a steady stream of relevant and valuable content to send out to your subscribers. A consistent schedule can help you establish a strong brand presence and keep your subscribers engaged over the long term. Number 4. Test and optimize. Testing and optimization are critical to the success of your email marketing campaigns. You should test different subject lines, content, and calls to action to see what works best for your audience. Number 3. Follow email marketing laws. There are several laws and regulations that govern email marketing, such as the Can-Spam Act in the United States. Make sure you follow these laws to avoid legal issues and maintain a good reputation. Number 2. Use a mobile responsive design. Many people check their emails on their mobile devices, so it's important to use a mobile responsive design that looks good on both desktop and mobile devices. Number 1. Monitor your metrics. Subscribers following my channel would have heard it many times that you should always monitor your campaign. Email marketing metrics, such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversions, are crucial in tracking the effectiveness of your campaigns and make improvements as needed. There you have it. Email marketing is a powerful tool for making money online, but it is not a set-and-forget investment. By following best practices and using effective email marketing strategies, you can build relationships with your audience, promote your products or services, and generate more sales. In the upcoming videos of my Digital Marketing 101 series, I will explore more advanced techniques and strategies to help you stay ahead of the game. From content marketing to social media optimization, I will cover it all. So, make sure to stay subscribed and don't miss out on the valuable insights and tips I have in store for you.